はい、皆さんこんにちは。漢字の勉強頑張っていますか？今日は265から269までの5つの漢字を勉強します。レベルは JLPT の N4 です。When it comes to learning kanji, you already know one kanji has multiple sounds. And a lot of people wondering how Japanese people memorize one kanji with different sounds. To answer this question, we read a lot. When we learn kanji with the sentence. For example, it says 1月1日一人で一日中一匹の猫と遊んだ。そしてお餅を一つ食べた。You get it? In this sentence, a lot of ichi in it, but different way of reading it. And we create the sentence we read a lot. Every time we read it, we are training our brain how you read each word. In this video, we are going to learn kanji this way. We learn target kanji, then create the sentence that has on reading and kun reading. 始める前にチェックテストをします。I want you to see how many you can read before we study. And then we will study together. Then we will check again to see how much you improve. I promise you, if you study with me all the way through, at the end of the video, you will be able to read by yourself. Are you ready? それでは始めましょう。This is how we learn kanji in this video. Our goal is to be able to read new kanjis. If you are interested in writing it, at the end of the video, you have stroke orders as well. This kanji means craft and construction. On is ko, ku. There is no kun for this kanji. This kanji means genius and years old. On is sai. There's no kun for this kanji. This kanji means round. Radical is the dot. Look at the kanji. It's number 9 with the dot means round. On is gan. Kun is maru. Marui. Marui is I adjective. This kanji means sword, knife. On is to, kun is katana. This kanji means unit for occurrence. And turn. On is kai, kun is mawaru. The manufacturing industry is 工業, 工業. Factory, 工場, 工場. Don't get confused. 工業, 工場. Example. 工業都市には工場がたくさんある。工業都市には工場がたくさんある。It's the unit for how old, years old. Sai, sai. You can use different kanji right next to the sai. Next is talent. Is 才能, 才能. Next, genius. 天才, 天才. Example. モーツァルトは5歳の時から音楽の才能があった天才だ。モーツァルトは5歳の時から音楽の才能があった天才だ。Log is 丸太、丸太。 as one 一丸となって That's the expression. Do something as one. The team becomes as one. 一丸となって Example 5人で一丸となって 100kg の丸太を動かした5人で一丸となって 100kg の丸太を動かした。Japanese sword にほんとうにほんとう sword 刀刀 Example にほんとうは日本で作られた刀です。日本刀は日本で作られた刀です。Counter unit of occurrence, which means how many times. So, 回 with the numbers. 1回、2回、3回。Turn is 回る、回る。Example. 犬が3回回ってお手をした。お手 is the picture. That's the action is お手。犬が3回回ってお手をした。Step 3 Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. 工業工場5歳才能天才丸太一丸となって日本刀刀3回回るJLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video in the future. I will see you in the next video. また次のビデオで会いましょう。さようなら。